Well, my loves, it is 6:30 in the evening, Monday. I believe the 13th? Yeah. And we are having some chill time with birds. Wonder if she'll actually crouch for him in a reasonable place. She usually crouches up there on that third shelf, but he can barely stand up there. He's mostly fine on the second one, but there is not space for both of those birds to tread on a shelf. Sissy is just too big. But he's very proud of himself. Ooh. 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 Everybody's singing. Cody about got himself in trouble earlier. Miss Ellie came out for a little bit of calcium. And he went to chase her away and so that his squeakers would feel safer coming out to try. And she dragged him off by his scruff and then got back on her eggs. Oh, hey, Emilio. What you want, buddy? What you want, buddy? You gonna go hang out in front of the mirror? Go check yourself out? Oh, it's lap time. Hey, buddy. Yeah, lap time is fine. You can have that. Lap time is best time for Emilio? I love Portuguese tumblers. Emilio is a very nice Portuguese tumbler. I can dip in his wing. Oh my good lord, so many boys. So many boys are so proud of themselves right now. Good luck with that. At least his mom isn't here anymore. Oh, hey, Hagrid. I have a shoulder, Hagrid. I still have a knee, Emilio. Hey, buddy. Hey. See that handsome boy? Is that a handsome boy getting ready to get fluffy? Is he getting ready to get real fluffy? Oh, that's a contented boy. On Portuguese tumblers, because they have such a high forehead, you don't really get to see the forehead fluff very well. It has to be a little bit more exaggerated than on a smoother feathered bird like Puddin'. Or I'm sorry, a bird with a smoother shaped head like Puddin'. Hey, Vinny. When Vinny's forehead feathers do the comfy fluff, it's really obvious. Hi, Cody. Hagrid is currently on my head. Oh, a stretchy Vinny. What a handsome boy. What a handsome boy. Mm. Sissy has returned to attempting to furiously court his wife. Good luck, buddy. Please tread somewhere sensible, like on the floor. I'm about to get in trouble with Pidge. She's learned her lesson about accidentally going into Pidge's nest. There's a Lily wooing for his wife. Or wooing in his wife's defense. I don't know where. Oh, hey, Puddin'. I now have a shoulder puddin'. Ow. Where's that boy going? Down here, huh? Gonna yell at you, Rigby. Get into it with Cody doing that. PJ, you can't have all three of those nest boxes. You're going to have to pick one and sit eggs when your wife has them. Hey, Cody. Hey, good boy. Hey, Emilio. Oh, there's Lexi. She's in the box above it. I believe that is a Cody dancing on my head. A good sissy boy. Puddin'. Oh, welcome back, Amelia. Hey, Vinny. Hi, Puddin'. Oh, it's knee time again. Hi, Vinny. Hey, sweet boy. It's food time for Puddin'. I need a rock. Maybe something I can do to hold the mesh down so that they don't trip if their claws catch. Excuse me, Vinny. Let me go fix that. Oh. Picked yourself out a new spot, huh? There we go. Okay, I'm coming back. Oh. bad boy. Oh, it's sissy. He's the dancing king. What you doing, bud? Practicing your chest bump? You're sure quite intimidating. Quite an intimidating boy. Hi, Pippin. Stretchy lady. Has birds on the box? Oh my Lord, PJ. This boy. This boy is a badass. His wife's a bit of a dumbins, though. Little bit of a dumbins. Are you okay, Asher? Baby, you are walking weird. As more develops on Asher's weird condition, we'll be keeping you all updated. All the boys just think she's insatiably horny. And she might be. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. You okay? You're moving real uncomfortable. I think you might be getting ready to lay an egg. 8, Peach. That's enough. That's enough. No. Don't let her be. PJ. Come on, man. Let your uncomfortable wife be. Yeah, sure. You can get away from PJ. You can come sit in my lap. Buddy, no, that's not what she wants. BJ, she's not getting down to be tread, bud. God, you're not bright. Pippin, that's enough. Let her be. Well, depending on what happens, we may end up having to turn the incubator back on. Yeah, she's very strainy and uncomfortable. See, the reason a stable nest is so important, or a specific stable nest is so important, is that the hen needs to know where to go to lay her egg when it's finally coming. PJ tries to defend 3 nests at once, and Escher doesn't actually know which one she belongs in. Because at any point, some other bird might try to go in it because they don't know which one they've settled on either. PJ, no. PJ, no. Here come the peeps. Here come the loud peeps. Come the loud little muffins. That looks like a lilac. A lilac? A lilac is coming? Oh, there they come. There comes the lilac. Here comes the lilac. For her papa to feed her. Oh, here comes an Oliver. He's trying. Oh, he's trying. You call it Oliver? No. Gotta feed that lilac more. That lilac's gonna be the one that listens. He'll feed that lilac. Boop. There he comes. There comes the boy. There comes the boy. Oh, and there goes his dad. Peeps don't like to be out for long at this point. Their dad's trying to lead them over here. And get them the idea that, hey, this is where you eat and drink. Oliver may get it, we'll see. Hi, Cody. Cody, your son is still hungry. Peep, I know. Oh, look at him go and attempt to peck at things. His sister's full. She's just going back in. She's going back in. Hey, buddy. Hey, tiny buddy. You gonna come eat food? Drink water? No. It feels good to stretch his little wings. Feels good to stretch his little wings. Is it scary outside? No. Well, we have hit the 20-minute mark. It is time to close for the moment. We'll reconvene once I have Escher, and we will go ahead and check to see if there's an egg coming. Anyway, in addition to our, in addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices, we would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. Hey guys, we are about $240 away from our $539 goal for getting a new emergency enclosure. So, thank you again for all your help. We'll reconvene momentarily.